categorize all my stuff in my refrigerator into a list and help me with grocery shopping.
There appears to be sauces, condiments, a carton of milk, eggs, and some leftovers in covered containers. There are also several other items on the shelves and door of your refrigerator, including some items that look like they are packaged dry goods. How would you like me to categorize them into a shopping list? For example, would you like the sauces listed separately or all together?
All together sauces.
Okay, I will put all the sauces together on the shopping list. Here's your list: sauces, milk, eggs, and leftovers. What other categories would you like me to list?
I need all the brands for the sauces.
Okay, I will list the brands of the sauces. I see the following brands: Lee Kum Kee, Mama Yu's, Kikkoman, Nakano, Kewpie, and a few more that I cannot fully make out from my view. I also see a carton of A2 milk.
Okay, look at this side. See how many can you make out?
Okay, on that side I see 19 sauces, including a tube of tomato paste and a bottle of Ribena.
How many sauces can you count?
I see 20 sauces and condiments, including the tube of tomato paste and the bottle of Ribena.
How about from this view?
Okay, from that view I see 14 jars and containers. Are you still wanting to make a grocery list? Or are you just curious about how many items are in your fridge?
I need a whole list of my fridge sauces.
Okay, here's the complete list of sauces from your fridge: Lee Kum Kee, Mama Yu's, Kikkoman, Nakano, QP, 365 organic Texas True Barbecue sauce, Kanto tomato paste, Tapatio hot sauce, and a few others that I could not make out. Commanier, I also see Araso2 milk, eggs, and leftovers. Is there anything else?
I need the sauce in a list in text.
Okay, here's a text list of the sauces from your fridge: Lee Kum Kee, Mama Yu's, Kikkoman, Nakano, Kewpie, 365 organic Texas True Barbecue sauce, Sento tomato paste, Tapatio hot sauce.
睇嚟睇去，佢同我數咗20加14加19，點解個 list 得返10個都冇呢？真係 something is wrong 啦！我問佢識唔識講廣東話，佢先激死。你識唔識講廣東話㗎？屌，真係食屎嘅啫！
的和の風土性的性音でそういう際への
講廣東話唔係講日文啊！仆街！
公的和解海洋暫で交流でそういう際への
你識唔識講廣東話㗎？
我識講廣東話，你有咩想傾偈？
快到呢！
我哋可以傾咩話題？
你識唔識講廣東話㗎？點啦？我真係唔明佢想點。Do you know how to speak Cantonese?
Yes, I can translate from English to Cantonese and from Cantonese to English Would you like me to try translating something for you?
No, I don't want to translate. I want you to answer me in Cantonese.
I can give it a try. Suyi, ngo hoi sik Cantonese. Ngo hong hoi sik di cool. Ngo hoi sik la. Okay, I can speak Cantonese. I might not be perfect, but I'll try my best.